Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. With banks under pressure to reduce their interest rates for loans, a major commercial bank is adamant that the government can do more to reduce the cost of banking in Jamaica. President and CEO of Scotia Group Jamaica, Audrey Tugwell-Henry, reiterated concerns at the recent Investments and Capital Markets Conference hosted by the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Banks pay 33.33% in tax on their business. Other corporate entities pay 25%. Banks pay an asset tax on total assets held, which is a disincentive to growth, but banks are growing anyway. And the government of Jamaica had implemented a temporary measure to institute an asset tax on banks, and they have not removed that. And that creates a burden on the Jamaican public because it is a burden that the banks are bearing.
Tugwell-Henry also raised concern about transactions which attract a general consumption tax, GCT.
That every single banking service attracts GCT. And so if the government of Jamaica is interested in taking down the cost to the consumers, those are all things that are within their control to help to make banking services and interest rates lower for consumers.
The Jamaican currency suffered significant losses in foreign exchange trading today. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $158.06. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $120.53. $197.14 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $167.10. The JSE index advanced by 2,378 points, while the junior market index advanced by 60 points. Shares in Trans-Jamaican Highway accounted for 50% of all shares traded. The 53 stocks which advanced include Stanley Motor, Knutsford Express, KLE Group, Paramount Trading, and Express Catering. The 37 losers were led by T-Tech, ISP Finance Services, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, CAC 2000, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. 23 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.